Good evening, everyone. Welcome to another No Fake Struggling 1. So, I was thinking the other day of our little frustrations that we have within us. So, when they say everything goes to hell in a handbasket, but you're still thankful, you're still blessed. And one good example of this is you work a double shift, even if it's not for the same company, just getting extra work in, a little side income going. And so worked all day at the detail shop. Then I go help do floors, get up, do the groceries. Well, at night, the machine broke, one of the floor machines broke, so we couldn't use that. Then after groceries, I got up, so I had about 3-4 hours, got home at 2, was up by 8. And then, look at God's beautiful sunset. Wow. And, then the guys, I tried to be there to help with the paint protection film. They were having issues. Then my scooter has a flat tire. And then on top of that, the fridge, my little mini fridge and for the trailer, I was de-thawing it. Even though you're not supposed to use tools, I use tools because I wanted to rush the process. And so I poked a hole in one of the lines of the Freon. So by research now, it's either I go and spend an extra 30, 40, 50 bucks by the time I get all the parts, recharge the Freon, may or may not work again, and the chance of it exploding, which we don't want to do, especially having an RV, and especially no homeowner's insurance, which is on the to-do list somewhere in the budget. And yeah, and then so yeah, between Friday night, Saturday, this weekend, hell in a handbasket, the struggles, you know, it's normal life things that happen. You can't really get mad or upset, but you feel frustrated, especially when you cause something like the fridge, one less problem you needed that you weren't trying to cause, but that you caused. So sometimes you just gotta kind of sit back and laugh at yourself and wonder, oh, one of those days between work, personal, you feel like you can't catch a break, but at the same time you know it's only things that happen in life. Cannot give up. You just gotta eat the cost sometimes and go about it. And then that beautiful sunset behind me. My camera's saying more light required, but that's all right. Maybe we'll adjust it in the editing session. So this is the beautiful RV marina in Beaumont, Texas. Really great place. Some nice boats. So you can see all the boat docking. It is really, really nice. So all the parking, plenty of room for all the boats. We got a nice little sailboat back over here. So yeah, hell in a handbasket. Yeah, you're frustrated, but you're not frustrated at the world. You're not frustrated at life. You're just frustrated because one thing after another keeps happening. So you're frustrated internally, and you're just like, oh, a sigh of relief. That's okay. Everything's already covered. New tires ordered. Debating on the fridge right now. So those that know me right now in my current life, I am riding a nice little scooter. And yeah, flat tire, so back to walking. So life is what it is, you know. All is good. Ignore my struggle. So no fake struggling here. This is the struggles of this past weekend. Today is June the 12th. Tomorrow will be like the 13th. So yeah, if you look on your calendar, this just happened over this past weekend. So please don't forget to hit that like, the subscribe button below, and also please share.